Good morning friends. Today my topic is same electrical machines 1 unit 2 transformer. This is transformer testings. This is for the transformer testing, two type of testing. One is direct testing, one is indirect testing. This is for the indirect testing. Indirect testing transformer will be. This is for the lab testing. Questions. This is the open circuit test and short circuit test. Also, this is the unanimously very important problems will be asking to with this topic. This is the open circuit test and short circuit test. Open circuit test will be OC test. Short circuit test will be SC test. First you find out the open circuit test. OC test will be find out. You first draw the general diagram. This is the input side P. Positive and negative will be single phase AC supply will be given. Then this is the switch, DPS switch, double pole single throw switch will be connected. Then fuse will be one fuse, other one will be neutral will be connected. This connection will be transformer parallel voltage connect பண்ணும், சீரிஸ்ல அம்மீட்டர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ அந்த இடத்துல வந்து லோடுக்கு சீரிஸ்ல ஒரு வாட் மீட்டர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணோம், அம்மீட்டரோட வாட் மீட்டர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணோம். லோடுக்கு பேரலல்ல வோல்ட் மீட்டர், தென் சீரிஸ்ல அம்மீட்டருக்கு அப்படியே பேரலே வந்து ஒரு வாட் மீட்டர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. இந்த வாட் மீட்டர்ல 4 டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெர்மினல்ஸ் இருக்குது. M in the main, C will be common, L will be load, V will be voltage. So this is the major connector. Then you will be connected to common side will be connected to load transformer one end, other end will be connected to voltage. This is the other end will be connected to neutral side will be connected. This is the step down transformer. Transformer primary side will be load voltage will be connected, secondary side will be open type. This is the open circuit test. First you find out the this is the general tabulation. V0 will be primary side, then I0 will be, this is the no load testing. So this is the V0 will be no load testing voltage, no load in current. Then W0 will be power will be no load. This is the voltage, this is the ammeter, this is the wattmeter. First you find out the rated voltage will be fixing. This is the rated voltage, single phase supply means 230 voltage will be fixing. That time you find out the voltage and wattmeter reading will be find out. This is the general equations. W0 is equal to V0 into I0 into cos into pi naught. W0 will be wattmeter rating in no load. V0 will be voltage in no load, current in no load. Cos phase equal to power factor in no load time. First find out the I maximum magnitude of the current. I maximum is equal to I0 into sin phi naught. This is IC. IC is equal to IC is equal to I0 into cos into pi naught. This is the I maximum. This is for the IC. You find out the I0 is equal to IC plus I max. This is the total current I0 will be find out. This is the V0 will be already no load voltage. W0 will be no load power. Cos pi naught is equal to, you find out the cos pi naught is equal to W0 will be V0 into I0. General, this is the R0 in no load voltage. R0 is equal to V0 divided by IC. Then X0 reactance is equal to V0 into I maximum. This is for the short circuit test. This is the low voltage testing. Open circuit will be voltage will be high voltage will be given. Short circuit is a low voltage testing, reducing the voltage. This is same circuit diagram in open circuit test and the short circuit test will be same circuit diagram. This is the primary side. Primary side will be given the voltage will be some low. The secondary side will be shorted. The open circuit test, this is the open type. This is the short circuit test. This is a short. Secondary side will be shorted. Then you find out the VSC, ISC, WSC. This is the short circuit test. So voltage will be not find out. ISC is the rated current. Rated current will be some 20 voltage or 50 voltage, 50 amps. Current will be rated current will be fixed. Then that time you will be adjust the auto transformer. Adjust the auto transformer. You set the some low voltage will be given. This low voltage will be find out. That time power will be find out. This is the general equation. WS is equal to short circuit power is equal to short circuit voltage, short circuit current, power factor will be short circuit time. Next you find out the cos pi SC is equal to WSC is equal to VSC into ISC. This is the power factor in short circuit time. Next resistor in short circuit time, WSC divided by ISC whole square. This is the ISC whole square. Next WSC is equal to ISC whole square into R1E. This is the core losses. This is the generally core loss. Transformer will be two type of losses. One will be copper losses, another one will be core losses. Copper losses and iron losses will be same. Then core losses will be I square losses. This is the short circuit time. Open circuit time. Iron losses will be coming. Short circuit time, core losses will be coming. Z1 is equal to VSC divided by ISC. This is the voltage in open circuit, short circuit voltage. ISC is the short circuit current. This is to find out the impedance value. Z is equal to impedance value. This is the short circuit time you will be find out. And then open circuit and short circuit test will be find out the very important test on indirect test. Thank you.